Hello, this is another Squarespace do-it-yourself tutorial. This one's on how to create a custom 404 page. 404 pages are the pages that people get redirected to when they type in an invalid URL or go through a broken link on your site, or basically anytime they're trying to go somewhere that doesn't exist or the site doesn't recognize, they'll get directed to a 404 page. And normally it's some boring sort of default thing, something like this. We couldn't find the page you're looking for because this is either there was an error or it's been moved or deleted. And then there's usually a link to the home page or something that you can search, things like that. But usually they're pretty boring. So we're going to come up with a more creative one. You can start to get some ideas for this through a fantastic site that I like to go to called Web Design Ledger. They've got a weekly blog that they come up with on different sort of things about web design and whatnot. But they've got one on different inspiration for 404 pages. It's at webdesignledger.com/creative -examples -of -404 -error -pages. If you go to that whole big thing, you'll get to see some of the examples of different sort of 404 pages that people have done that kind of fit more in the theme of their site rather than just something that's random and or something that's standard and doesn't really look good. So how would we do that with Squarespace? Well, the first thing you'd want to do is create your page. And you're going to want it to be in the not linked section because you don't want people to be able to get to it through the navigation. So we'll create a new page and we'll name it 404. You can name it whatever you want, really doesn't matter. It's some page content. We'll link this to the home content. Apparently our that's because I don't have a home page set up yet. It's actually just the index page. So we'll go. Normally, if you do have a home page and you're not using an index system the way I am, you'd be able to do your content right there. But for now, we'll just do that. Make a little class here. I'm not going to put too much effort into jazzing this up because you want to do it custom for whoever you do it. But we'll just put a little something in there. There we go. Oh, that's classy. All right. So we've got our 404 page titled 404. And now to link to it, we'll want to go to Settings, Advanced, 404 page. And instead of the system default, which would be this, we'll want to go with 404. So now if we mistype a page, it'll bring us to our amazing "you've took a wrong turn, go back to start," or something else. If you want more than just a homepage link, you can link this to whatever you want. If you want more than just that, it might be handy to include a search something. So we would do something like that. Insert a search. So basically, so we can choose how we're going to display it, whatnot. You can search different things, mostly blogs or testimonials, if you want to constrain, but we would want to go to the whole site. There we go. So now we've got a search, and if we wanted to find the testimonials page or something like that, or so people could search for different pages. Basically, how the search, see, oh, there's nothing there. It searches for products, blog posts, and pages on your site, mostly. And that's pretty much all there is to creating a custom 404 page.